Good morning. First of all, we'd like to congratulate Mr. Yoshihide Suga for becoming new Prime Minister of Japan. But we also want to give a warm farewell to friend of India, Mr. Shinzo Abe, and we will like to talk why he will be remembered in Japan, India, as well as globally. Mr. Shinzo Abe, since the start of his political career, he was working to bring Japan back to international normalcy so that countries of the world can accept Japan as a normal country vis-a-vis international responsibilities. Because of the Second World War, whatever happened, Japan was not really looked in that sense, but Mr. Shinzo Abe worked hard for that, and today Japan is recognized as a normal country vis-a-vis its international responsibilities. Mr. Abe was always vocal about the threats of China to the international community as well as world peace. He was really concerned about long-term threats from China and also near-term threats from North Korea. He was really vocal about ending of nuclear program, biological weapon program, chemical weapon, ballistic weapon program of North Korea and the Pyongyang regime. He was always even vocal when those citizens of Japan were mercilessly abducted by the North Korean agents from Japan, and it happened between 1977 and 1983. And Mr. Shinzo Abe raised this issue, and so much so that North Korean government had officially admitted that its people abducted 13 Japanese citizens. And Mr. Shinzo Abe was real progenitor of the concept of free and open Indo-Pacific. He established very good and warm relationship with our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, and India. He was a force behind Quad. He supported the rights of people of Hong Kong, and under his prime ministership, Japan officially condemned the stand of PLA, People's Liberation Army, vis-a-vis India in Ladakh. He also took heads-on with China, and he never surrendered to China on issue of Shinkaku Islands. He was not only vocal, but he was also acting. In action, he was pursuing. In September 2017, he wrote an article in New York Times, and he said that more dialogue with North Korea would be a dead end, and he was right. Mr. Trump was working hard, trying to work hard with North Korea, but finally it didn't achieve success. So Mr. Shinzo Abe was right when he was writing that article. So he was a visionary leader. Even when most of the allies of United States of America were facing heat regarding trade with America, they were on odds with their old ally on issue of trade. Japan was relatively calm because of leadership of Mr. Shinzo Abe. So Mr. Shinzo Abe and his charismatic leadership will be remembered in Japan, in India, and also globally. We wish from India a very good future and good health to Mr. Shinzo Abe. Thank you.